Indo-Prix is a series of national championships of motorcycle in Indonesia. The event offers the world-class level competition for moped, underbone frame motorcycle with 125cc and 110cc at its top speed of 160 km per hour. In final battle of total 5 series in circuit Balipat, Binuang in South Kalimantan, Yamaha racing team rider with Jupiter Z1, Sigit PD registered a victory. Sigit became an annual champion after accumulating the highest total score with 182 points at 125cc and 174 points at 110cc. Yamaha fuel injection became the first to win 2 classes at Indo-Prix with Jupiter Z1 model. Soon after Jupiter Z1 was released in 2012, 2 titles immediately rewarded in the first year.
Jupiter Z1 menggunakan teknologi dari Yamaha full injection untuk menciptakan green environment dipakai untuk balap Indo-Prix.
Untuk motor injeksi menurut saya motor yang sempurna untuk dipakai buat balap karena dia enjoy bawanya, tidak menguras tenaga, yang pasti daya tahannya juga terjamin.
Yamaha supports environmentally friendly fuel injection with proven performance by adopting it for 80% of the motorcycle's model releasing in the Indonesian market. It helps keep the environment clean and safe.
供給するっていうところがやはり F1 の最もいいところだと考えてます。F1 にすることでですね、レーシングマシンとして考えた場合でもおよそ 20% ぐらいはキャブ車よりも燃費の面で向上している。
Japan not only manufacture eco-friendly vehicles but has been protecting environment through ancient times. In Japan, 1.2 million people lives in the land of mountainous, complicated and soft ground foundation. And to protect themselves from disaster caused by heavy rain, they protect the nature. Nippon Steel and Sumikin Metal Products Corporation provides the innovative solution for slope stabilization against the landslip. It is called non-frame method.
こちらがノンフレーム工法です。これまで日本では主に斜面対策としては主にコンクリートの構造物で対策をしてきました。しかし自然斜面の中では森林の根っこというのが斜面を安定させる効果を持っています。それを伐採してやろうとしてたのが従来の技術です。でこのノンフレーム工法というのは自然斜面の根っこの持っている斜面安定効果、これを補完しつつ鉄の棒を斜面にこういう形で打ち込んで安定させようとするものです。
Non-frame method protects trees, so it protects regional geography and environment. The method reduces 60 to 70% of CO2 compared to the conventional methods. In the last 15 years, the technique has protected an estimated 170,000 equivalent trees of the forest. Non-frame method can be used across the world to protect Mother Nature.